Your body has a hidden superpower. Each time your skin is cut, scraped, or burned, armies of microscopic workers rush to the scene. But what exactly happens behind the curtain of your own biology that allows a wound to heal instead of staying open forever? Let's take a journey beneath the surface of your skin. The very first moment an injury occurs, your body activates a life-saving emergency response called hemostasis. Blood vessels tighten, platelets gather, and a protein called fibrin forms a natural seal, like a biological bandage, to stop the bleeding. But stopping the bleeding is only the beginning. Next comes the inflammatory phase. At this stage, immune cells, such as neutrophils and macrophages, arrive like cleanup crews. They destroy harmful bacteria, clear out dead tissue, and release chemical signals that call in the builders for the next phase. This leads us to the proliferation phase. Here, fibroblast cells begin weaving new collagen fibers, while fresh blood vessels sprout to deliver oxygen and nutrients. A soft red tissue called granulation tissue fills the wound, and new skin cells migrate across the surface to close the gap. Finally, over weeks or even months, the remodeling phase takes place. Fragile collagen type 3 is gradually replaced by stronger collagen type 1. The new tissue contracts, strengthens, and matures. The scar may never match the original skin perfectly, but it restores protection and function. So why can wounds heal? Because your body is equipped with an astonishing self-repair system, a coordinated symphony of cells, proteins, and signals working day and night to restore what was lost. And here's the real wonder. This process has been protecting humans for thousands of years, long before modern medicine. It's a timeless reminder that healing is not just a medical miracle. It's built into the very fabric of life itself.